Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. AWS Glue is a fully managed extract, transform, and load (ETL) service that makes it easy for you to prepare and load your data for analysis. The AWS Glue Python package provides a set of Python APIs to interact with AWS Glue functionality programmatically. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of using the AWS Glue Python package with code examples. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites in place. To get started, you need to install the AWS Glue Python package. You can install it using the following pip command. To use the AWS Glue Python package, you need to create a GlueContext object, which is the entry point for interacting with AWS Glue functionality. Here's an example of how to create a GlueContext. You can use the AWS Glue Python package to read data from various sources. Here's an example of reading data from an Amazon S3 bucket. Once you have the data in a dynamic frame, you can apply transformations using the apply method. Here's an example of adding a new column to the dynamic frame. After transforming the data, you can write it back to a destination. Here's an example of writing the dynamic frame to an Amazon S3 bucket. Finally, you can run the Glue job using the AWS Glue Python package. Here's an example. This tutorial covers the basics of using the AWS Glue Python package to read, transform, and write data. For more advanced features and options, refer to the official AWS Glue documentation, AWS Glue documentation, https://